Hey everybody, today I'm gonna show you Beyblade. I'm gonna show you Red Bull. So okay, I got all the parts of him. Okay, now first I got the screw tip, which is for the front end. You can see. Focus. There we go. Red Bull. There's a bull over there. Okay. The plastic rim. Yeah, this is the fusion wheel. Plastic fusion wheel. And this is the metal fusion wheel. The spin wheel. The spin track. The performance tip is also a gray. Performance tip is gray, yeah. It comes with this original, launcher. And this ripcord. Ripcord.
At yummy.
So, yeah, and that's it. So, in building this may take quite some time, maybe just a few seconds, because this is not really a big blade. So, okay. Now, first actually the metal fusion wheel is, it's really like that. The plastic fusion wheel would be placed on top, and make sure that this piece right here match this, and then you match it, you just push it down. So you want to turn this upside down. The performance spin, the spin track, you place that together. You kind of turn that and place that on. The screw tip fits on perfectly. And there you go. And okay, this piece right here, gonna load in the ripcord, and let's let it rip. Kind of had the Hot Wheels over there, like a 4x4 plate. Yeah, never mind that, I have lots. Okay, let's get this on. This is actually made in China, I insist. No. There we go. Just beating everything out. It's pretty cool, eh? kind of spins long because this is a high-tip Beyblade. And yeah, she's very long. I'm just gonna end the video and it stops. Yeah, pretty fast. But looking wiggly shaky right now. And yeah, it is wiggly and shaky. Yeah, I wonder. It's ending, it's ending.